Thank you very much, Mr. He. Economic Daily. Stabilizing investment is a very key pillar to stabilizing fundamentals of China's economy. As the authority in charge of investment, what kind of the plan do you have in place to stabilize investment? What's your key focus?
Thank you for your concern about our investing work from the NDRC. So actually, we have like 3 key measures. First is the consumption, that is to boost the development of the economy. Because of the COVID-19, this may have some restriction, but right now we are recovering the economy. And second is the import and export, especially the export. For like 20 consecutive months, we have registered double-digit growth for the export. And also we remain this momentum for the first 2 months. The third measure is investment. And for the investment, we have to look into the actual situation and also to lay a solid foundation for future development. This is also a very key aspect for us. And this year, if we look at the investment, we have to set up targeted goals. We focus on the following areas. First, we are focusing on the 14th five-year plan, especially for the 102 projects we see in the 14th five-year plan. Because for the 102 key projects, it also contains over 2,600 projects. And some of these projects are already being implemented. So we are already moving along with the investment for these projects. And also we are focusing and targeting on the infrastructure, especially for those linked to the carbon peak and the carbon neutrality. And we are also focusing on the emerging industries, and also we will update some of the dilapidated equipment. And this is also a large amount of investment. Third, we're also focusing on the urbanization. So in this case, we're focusing on the township and the counties. So for the medium and the big cities, we have to fill out all of the weak links. So for the townships, they're actually linking the villages and the big cities. So we have to focusing on the investment to build the infrastructures in those regions. And this also meet our requirement. And also we have a lot of opportunities to do investment in those areas. And also we have to focusing on the public services, for example, the elderly service and the nursing rooms. This is also involve a big investment. And also in the past few years, we are also focusing on some of the nursing rooms for the elderly. We have renovating some of those facilities. All of these are big investment projects. So under the new development plans, we have a lot of opportunities for future investments. So we have to make targeted plans and focusing on those key projects. As for the fundraising, we need to better utilize the role of the market and also the government. And in the government work report this year, and this year we have the government fund about the 640 billion yuan. This is higher than last year. And also we issued special bond this year. And last year, because of certain reasons, some of the special bonds are issued in November. And for some of the special bonds will be transferred to this year. So this year, we have a huge amount of the investment for the bonds. As I said, for some of the banks, so they will provide mid-term and long-term loans to the enterprises, and also we have some tax and fee cuts, and all of these will be conducive to the enterprises, so they could continue to do the R&D. So that said, we have a huge investment in this area. And also we would like to utilize the investment from the government and the banks. Hopefully, it could vitalize the market entities. So right now, what we are doing right now is to accelerate the current projects that have been implemented. Hopefully, we can accomplish all of these projects as soon as possible. And also for some of the projects we have just started, hopefully we could start the construction as soon as possible. We would also like to work with other sectors and to plan more projects and to further implement all of these projects. So all of these investments will bring long-term benefits. Thank you.